second year that this clubhouse hired us to do this clubhouse. This is a golf community 55 plus in Davenport, Florida. This complex has many clubhouse, and this is the second time that we are gonna do, and we already finished this clubhouse. The first year was horrible. The first year, all the grime, all the old wax on the corners, a lot of build up. We have to strip, use a set stripper that has a strong odor, be on our knees and vapor steamers to do the edges. It was horrible. You don't have an idea. 2 days and a half, like 4 people doing this job. This year we just used 2 people, Sonia and me, and we changed the way we do it. We believe in technology, and we have the square scrub. We rented this machine because we do this business once a year. I'm showing you in a fast mode, like 5x, the procedure and how we remove the 3 layers of wax and put the floor height finish. I'm making and I edit the whole video, and soon I'm gonna upload it to YouTube in case that you want to see the whole thing. Kind of boring, but it really interesting for someone that wants to learn how to do this kind of job, or someone that is on the fields and just want to know how we do it. Thank you for watching our videos. This is Sonia and Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. If you have any question or a comment, just put it below, or you can reach us at 407-572-4118. Next weekend we have another clubhouse in the same neighborhood. It's a bigger, we're gonna use maybe another technique. So stay tuned, and thank you for support our channel. I really hope that I can upload soon the video, and then as soon as I get the video on YouTube explaining and show you exactly how we do it, the video is gonna be long. It's gonna be like 40 minutes, something like that. I'm gonna put in comments the link, so you just need to copy and paste, and you have the video on YouTube. Okay? Oh wow, 3 minutes and 32 seconds in TikTok. Okay, anyway, anyhousecleaning.com. It came beautiful. Tomorrow I have to